Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can fix Samsung phone's gallery not showing all album. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, we have to open our gallery application on our Samsung Galaxy phone. And as you can see, not all my albums shown in this gallery. And I'm going to show you how we can fix it. We have to go to the gallery setting, click on these three lines on the bottom, and then you have to open the gallery setting. Okay, in this gallery setting, we have to turn off the select essential albums. If we want to show all albums, we have to disable this feature. You just need to click on the circle button to disable this feature, and then we can go back to our gallery to check it. And okay guys, now all my gallery album have been shown in this gallery, and that's how we can fix the Samsung phone's gallery not showing all album. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.